Everyone wants success, but few are willing to fight for it. And fewer truly understand the secret force behind every champion, every hero, every unstoppable human being. Perseverance. Perseverance is not a talent. It's not luck. It's not motivation. It is a decision. A decision to rise when everything tries to break you. A decision to move forward when the world pushes you back. And today, you're about to learn 3 truths about perseverance that will change the way you see life forever. These aren't theories. These are psychological, proven, brutally real truths that if you apply, your entire life will shift. Breathe in. Let your mind open. Let these words enter your soul. You weren't born weak. You weren't born average. Your brain is built to adapt. Every struggle you survive actually rewires your brain to make you stronger. Neuroscience proves this. When you push through difficulty, your brain forms new connections. Your focus sharpens. Your decision-making strengthens. Your emotional control becomes powerful. This means every challenge you are facing right now, every hardship, every failure, every broken moment is literally upgrading your brain. People think perseverance means suffering. They're wrong. Perseverance means evolution. Each day you don't quit, you become someone new, more disciplined, more stable, more intelligent, more unstoppable. You are not stuck. You are evolving in silence. Repeat this in your mind. Every time I persist, I upgrade. Because you do. And the ones who keep going are the ones who transform their destiny. Talent is overrated. Intelligence is overrated. Motivation is temporary. But perseverance, that is the real unfair advantage. Think of every successful person you admire. They weren't the smartest. They weren't the most gifted. Most of them failed more times than you can imagine. But they had one thing, the strength to keep going. A person with talent but no perseverance quits at the first struggle. A person with average talent but unbreakable perseverance, they rise higher than anyone expected. Real-life example. People say, work smarter, not harder. But here's the truth nobody tells you. If you work smarter and harder and longer, you become unbeatable. Perseverance gives you an edge that talent never will. Because talent can fade, motivation can disappear. But perseverance is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And once you build it, no one can take it from you. There's a version of you that you haven't met yet. A version that doesn't break easily. A version that wakes up with purpose. A version that trusts their own greatness. You meet that version only through perseverance. See, self-belief doesn't come from success. Self-belief comes from surviving, from doing the hard thing, from waking up on days you felt empty and still trying. Every time you push through fear, every time you move through failure, every time you fight doubt, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. That's where real confidence comes from, not from winning, but from refusing to quit. When you persevere, you look at yourself differently. You begin to respect yourself. You create a deep belief that no matter what comes, you will not break. This is the foundation of an unstoppable life. So remember these 3 truths. 1. Perseverance rewires your brain. 2. Perseverance outperforms talent. 3. Perseverance builds unshakable self-belief. Your life changes when you decide, I will not quit. You don't need permission. You don't need support. You don't need perfect conditions. You need perseverance. And you already have it inside you. Now activate it. Today, start building the strongest version of yourself. Your future self is waiting. Go meet them.